Hey all, this is Samudita from Adya's Kitchenette. Today I will be making roti using leftover rice. If you have any leftover rice or pulao, you can make this. This is called masala akki roti. You can make it from either leftover rice. If it is leftover rice, you can add on vegetables. If it is leftover pulao, then no need to add anything. You can just make it, cook it once more and make it soft, and then knead it into a dough and make a masala akki roti. So this is my leftover rice, to which I am adding little bit of water and cooking it again. And these are all my ingredients here. You can see dill leaf, beans, coriander, carrot, onion, beans, green chili, and dill leaves or sabasque soppu. Vegetables are totally your choice. See this, I have cooked the rice once again and made it soft by adding water. This is salt, carom seeds or ajwain, cumin, rice flour, and carrot chopped or minced finely, beans, green chili and coriander chopped, finely chopped dill leaves, you can just chop all the vegetables, or if you have a food processor you can just chop it into that, or you can even grate all the vegetables. Rice flour, if you can use only if it is needed, like if it is too sticky while making the dough, then you can use it. So now I have taken the cooked rice. You can take even fresh rice as well. There is no need that you have to take leftover only. I had leftover rice, so I have taken it by just cooking it once again softly. To the rice I am adding dill leaves or sabasque soppu, onion, beans, coriander and green chilies. All the things I have chopped or minced very finely. And I have added salt, cumin, carom seeds or ajwain. Now mix all together and knead it nicely to make a firm dough, out of which you can make rotis. And make sure that the rice is hot so that it will be easy to knead it. You can add the rice flour as needed, like if it is too sticky you can add a little rice flour, or only cooked rice is enough to, and just make sure that you knead it softly and form a firm dough. Using the same thing you can make even nippattu. It's just that you should make a deep fry. So our dough is ready. Now I have pinched some dough and made some balls out of it, small balls. I'll take each ball and pat it on the pan applying water to my hand. I'm just patting it into a flat rotis. So you can just say that this is a desi pizza. Make sure you cook it with the closed lid and roast it on both sides. I have not used any oil. If you want, you can use oil or ghee. It's as per your choice. Ta-da! Our masala akki roti ready to serve. I've used coconut chutney and curd to serve with the masala akki roti. You can even serve with the podi also or any curry. Thanks all. Please do like, share and subscribe Aadya's Kitchenettes. Tia!